Ravichandran Ashwin has called time on his IPL career and he bids adieu as the fifth highest wicket taker in IPL history. But there's a couple of things for which Ravichandran Ashwin will always be the numero uno. What are those two things? Allow me to tell you what those two things are. The first player in the history of the IPL to effect the non-striker run out without a ball being bowled was back in 2019, Ravichandran Ashwin. Of course, those are images that you will remember very vividly because it's the first instance that ever happened in IPL. Josh Butler was the man who was looking good. This happened in the penultimate over. Ravichandran Ashwin, after the match got over, said that this was not something that he'd planned, but as far as the rules of the games are concerned, then it fits into the rules of the game, and so there is no question of the spirit of the game coming into play. That's number one. The other instance that has Ravichandran Ashwin right up top when it comes to the IPL again comes from the rule book. This time though, it was the first instance ever in the history of the IPL that a batter decided to retire himself out. This did not happen too long back. It happened in 2022, and Ravichandran Ashwin, when his team needed a lot of runs, Rajasthan weren't looking the best poised. They'd lost half their side for 90 odd runs, but there was a young Riyan Parag with some sort of promise to bat better and bat at a higher strike rate. So Ashwin decided to go ahead and make way for a Riyan Parag. Ashwin had scored about 20 odd runs. He'd faced about 28 deliveries, but then he realized that maybe a Riyan Parag is what the team needed to up the ante and give his team a better chance of getting to the total. However, the only difference from the first scenario that I told you and this one is that there was some sort of consultation this time with the team management. Earlier, it was just Ravichandran Ashwin to effect the run out. This time, though, Kumar Sangakkara later said that yes, this is something he had discussed with us in the previous over, in that little break that you get. But Ravichandran Ashwin, for these two instances, will always be number one as far as the IPL is concerned. You let me know what are those two instances according to you which you will never forget in the IPL featuring Ravichandran Ashwin.